I wanted to invest in stocks. I wanted to buy gold. I wanted to get exposure to real world assets. But my geographical location said no. Most traditional platforms restricted. Payment options limited. Verification complicated. And that's when I realized something powerful. Crypto isn't just about meme coins and volatility. It's all about access. If you're new here, my name is Ebook, and today I'm going to show you how crypto, specifically real world assets, RWA, helped me to invest in gold without ever touching traditional banks or brokerage. And I'll even show you how to buy tokenized gold like PAX Gold, step by step. Let's get into it. RWA in crypto simply means real world assets tokenized on the blockchain. Instead of buying gold from a physical vault in another country, you buy a token that represents that gold. Instead of going through traditional brokers, you access tokenized exposure through blockchain infrastructure. And one of the biggest examples of this is PAX Gold. Each PAX Gold token represents 1 fine troy ounce of gold stored in professional vaults. It's issued by Paxos. So instead of needing a physical vault, brokerage account, international bank wires, you just need a crypto wallet. That's powerful. Here's why this is a game changer. I can buy fractional gold. I can self-custody it. I can move it globally in minutes, and I don't need permissions from traditional systems. And most importantly, I finally have access. Crypto removed my geographical barrier. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world, and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter, and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. When it comes to investing into this PAX Gold token, you need to know the markets that you are going to purchase the token from. So this is something called CryptoRank. It's one of the apps that I use to do my research on crypto token that I want to invest in. Just go into the CryptoRank app, then search for PAXG. You can see it's ranked number 38 so far. Under the markets, we have the first one. There's Binance, Mexi, OKX, Coinbase. So these ones are listed based on the centralized exchanges. Now when I go to CoinMarketCap, I can also see the dexes for PAXG. In here, under CoinMarketCap, you can see we also have market for PAXG. The dex one is Uniswap. So we can see here we have Uniswap. There's also Curve protocol, but the best place to get this one under the decentralized exchanges is on Uniswap. So first you need to get the address. You need to get the correct address, because remember, you are dealing with crypto here. There are so many scam tokens. Just make sure that you grab the right address. So when I'm here into my CryptoRank, then I can see under contracts there's Ethereum and there's also Binance Smart Chain. So just make sure that you're grabbing the Ethereum one, because you want to use the Ethereum blockchain. So I've said that when you're going to deal with this one, we are going to do the self-custody way. When you buy this token, we are going to self-custody our own gold, the tokenized gold. So the wallet that we are going to use to store this or self-custody our Gold is MetaMask. You can as well use Trust Wallet. There are so many wallets that are EVM chain supported. So for me, I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet. So you can see I already added this PAX Gold into my MetaMask, but now we want to go into the Uniswap protocol and see how you can actually easily purchase the PAXG token. So just go under the Explore, then here under my sites I already have Uniswap in here. So first you'll need to connect your Uniswap with your own wallet so the two interact with each other. Then you can see here you want to buy these tokens, so we'll be selling our Ethereum for the gold. So in order to get the gold, you go under the buy part, you select the token. Remember, we've already copied our address, so we have the right address. Just make sure that you are copying and pasting in here. So now we have the right address. You can see that's PAXG. So in case you have Ethereum, this is the native Ethereum. Remember, we are interacting with the Ethereum layer 1 blockchain, and the best thing about Ethereum right now is that it's very cheap to interact with it. Once upgrade came on Ethereum, the network fees on Ethereum are so low. It's like interacting with these L2s. So just make sure that you are using the Ethereum token and also have some for gas, because that's what you're going to be paying for. Then just make sure you're making your purchase here. So in case I had one Ethereum here, buying PAXG will be getting me 0.44178 PAXG token. Initiate the trade, and then once that one is executed, that token will be sitting into your own wallet. So you'll be having that self-custody. You are using a decentralized exchange, Uniswap, having that self-custody, your PAXG token being stored into your own wallet. And remember, you can sell it anytime you want. You don't need any vault. You don't have to sign up with any brokerage traditional finance systems. So this is the best part about now blockchain bringing that freedom to us, interacting with something that we can sell anytime. We can actually also buy it anytime. You've not seen me signing up for anything, presenting my KYC or doing anything of such, and there's no barriers in here. So we've seen many markets that support the gold token or the PAXG, and OKX is one of them. So this one is now a centralized exchange. It's not the same as Uniswap that we've seen. So when you want to buy PAXG from a centralized exchange, just come here on OKX. For me, I use OKX. There are so many exchanges supporting PAX Gold, like Binance. So when you are on OKX, just click on trade. Then you are on the spot market, and then you search the PAX Gold that you want to buy. Currently the market is under BTC, but we are keenly looking at PAXG. So just click to get the PAXG token. So that's PAXG and USDT. So that's what we want to use. So in case you have some USDT sitting on your trading wallet on OKX, or you can buy USDT from P2P, you can also transfer from your own wallet into OKX. Then once that USDT is sitting on your trading account, now you can use that same USDT to buy your PAXG. So you can see currently PAXG is at 4662.5. Remember, you are now interacting with gold. This is a tokenized token representing the physical gold sitting at a vault being held by Paxos. So this is how you easily trade this token. Then once you bought your token, just go to your assets. Remember, this is a centralized exchange. We never store our investments or something that you are perceiving as a long-term investment into the centralized exchange. Go into your assets, click on withdraw. Then here now you look for the token that you want to withdraw. So in our case, we are assuming we bought the PAXG from OKX. We now withdraw it from OKX into our MetaMask wallet. The address is on Ethereum address, so the fees is only 14 cents. That's the great part about interacting with Ethereum blockchain nowadays. Earlier on I was saying Ethereum is very costly, but nowadays after the upgrade that happened on Ethereum, we are now interacting with Ethereum as if we are on the BNB blockchain or Polygon, Arbitrum, those L2s. So remember, it's very easy to now own gold. You don't need international bank transfer wires. You don't need to do any KYC. Just with Ethereum, you can easily access gold, and let's start investing smartly. Let's be balanced. RWA is powerful, but smart contract risk exists, custody risk exists, regulatory risk exists, and gold price still fluctuates. This is not risk-free, but compared to having zero access, this changed everything for me. Crypto is not just about chasing 100x meme coins. It's about financial access. It's about ownership. It's about removing borders. For someone like me, in a region where traditional finance sometimes says no, blockchain said welcome. And that's why I believe RWA will be one of the biggest narratives of this decade. If you found this valuable, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who still thinks crypto is useless. Because sometimes crypto isn't speculation, it's freedom.